Lamai Beach, nestled on the southeast coast of Koh Samui, is a tropical paradise that attracts travelers seeking relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable memories. With its stunning white sands, crystal clear waters, and a laid-back vibe, Lamai is often considered a quieter, more peaceful alternative to the bustling Chaweng Beach. Whether you're looking to unwind by the sea, explore local culture, or experience some of Thailand's finest hospitality, Lamai Beach has it all. We'll take a deep dive into what makes this destination so special.
Travel is more than just moving from one place to another. It's a journey into the unknown, a dance with unfamiliar cultures, and a way to discover parts of ourselves we never knew existed. Whether it's the thrill of exploring hidden alleys in a bustling city, or the serenity of watching a sunset over a remote mountain, travel offers a tapestry of experiences that enrich the soul and broaden the mind. Thank you for stopping by Beyond Horizon. We're thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to share content that inspires, entertains, and adds a little extra spark to your day. Your support means the world to us.
The natural beauty of Lamai Beach. One of the main draws of Lamai Beach is its pristine natural beauty. The beach stretches for about 4 kilometers, providing plenty of space for visitors to enjoy the soft, powdery sand and the warm, turquoise waters of the Gulf of Thailand. Palm trees sway in the breeze, casting gentle shadows on the shore, making it an ideal spot to relax under the sun. Lamai Beach is also known for its stunning sunsets. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky is painted in shades of orange, pink, and purple, creating a breathtaking view. Whether you're strolling along the shore or enjoying a cocktail at a beachfront bar, this daily spectacle is not to be missed. Activities at Lamai Beach. While Lamai Beach is perfect for sunbathing and swimming, it also offers a wide range of activities for those seeking adventure. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding in the calm waters. The nearby coral reefs are home to vibrant marine life, making it an excellent spot for snorkeling and diving. For those who prefer to stay on land, Lamai's surrounding area offers plenty of opportunities for exploration. The lush hills behind the beach are great for hiking, providing panoramic views of the island and the ocean. You can also rent a scooter or a bicycle to explore the nearby waterfalls, temples, and coconut plantations. Cultural attractions near Lamai Beach. Lamai Beach is not just about sun and sand. It also offers a glimpse into the rich culture and traditions of Thailand. One of the most popular attractions is the iconic Hin Ta and Hin Yai rocks, grandfather and grandmother rocks, located at the southern end of the beach. These unusual rock formations, which resemble male and female genitalia, have become a popular tourist spot and are steeped in local folklore. Nearby, the Wat Kunaram Temple is a must-visit for those interested in Thai spirituality. The temple houses the mummified body of a revered monk, Luang Pha Dang, who passed away in a meditative state over 40 years ago. This site attracts both locals and tourists seeking blessings and spiritual guidance. Where to eat and drink in Lamai Beach. Lamai Beach offers a fantastic array of dining options, ranging from traditional Thai street food to upscale restaurants. Seafood lovers will be in heaven, as many of the beachfront restaurants serve freshly caught fish, prawns, and crab grilled to perfection. Don't miss the chance to try the local specialties, such as Som Tam, spicy papaya salad, and Tom Yum Gung, spicy shrimp soup. For those seeking a vibrant nightlife, Lamai Beach doesn't disappoint. Beach bars and clubs come alive after sunset, offering live music, fire shows, and cocktails. Whether you prefer a relaxed drink by the water or a night of dancing, Lamai has something for everyone. Accommodation options at Lamai Beach. From luxury resorts to budget-friendly bungalows, Lamai Beach has a wide range of accommodation options to suit every traveler's needs. If you're looking for a romantic getaway or a family-friendly resort, you can find beachfront properties offering stunning ocean views, infinity pools, and spa services. For budget-conscious travelers, there are plenty of affordable guest houses and hostels just a short walk from the beach. These accommodations often have a more relaxed, community vibe, making them a great choice for backpackers and solo travelers. Best time to visit Lamai Beach. The best time to visit Lamai Beach is during the dry season, which runs from December to April. During this time, the weather is sunny, and the sea is calm, perfect for swimming and water activities. The rainy season, from May to November, brings occasional downpours, but even during this time, the island retains its beauty, and accommodation prices tend to drop, making it a great option for budget travelers. How to get to Lamai Beach? Koh Samui is easily accessible from Bangkok, Phuket, and other major Thai cities via daily flights to Samui International Airport. Once on the island, Lamai Beach is about a 20-30 minute drive from the airport. You can take a taxi, rent a scooter, or hire a private car to reach your destination. Additionally, ferries operate from the mainland, making it easy to reach Koh Samui by boat. Lamai Beach in Koh Samui offers the perfect balance between relaxation and adventure, making it an ideal destination for all types of travelers. Its pristine beaches, exciting activities, cultural landmarks, and delicious food scene ensure that visitors leave with unforgettable memories. Whether you're planning a peaceful retreat or an action-packed holiday, Lamai Beach should be at the top of your travel list. By visiting Lamai Beach, you not only experience the natural beauty of Koh Samui but also immerse yourself in the island's rich culture and warm hospitality. So pack your bags and get ready to discover this tropical gem.
Thank you for taking the time to visit. Your support means the world to us. Hit subscribe and get ready for exciting future contents that we can't wait to share with you.